Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we make amazing jewelry. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful ceramic ring. It's so beautiful and it's made from the ceramic. I'm gonna show you how to make a one in this video. So without further ado, let's get straight with that. Before go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, if you're looking forward to getting started with making beautiful jewelries, then I have a PDF which will going to help you, as it contains top 100 best of my jewelry ideas, patterns which you can download it. You can take a printout of it for making your own jewelry line, for making for your own purpose, for gifting it to someone else. The link is in the description box below. Make sure you grab it out. Without further ado, let's get straight with the tutorial. The materials required: you're gonna need a ceramic clay. Okay, this is ceramic clay white. You're gonna need a paper pulp, working mat, then some of the clay instruments, and you're also gonna need the water colors to make this ring. That's all the Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.